In this video, I'm picking up a mystery box of plush stuffed animals. I did just say stuffed. Sorry, eBay, because, yeah, if you're a reseller, you get that. Hey everyone, it's Alyssa, also known as the At-Home Hustler. I'm a homeschooling mama of 2 boys that sells primarily on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, and makes videos about it. If you like content that helps you to resell online, gives you tips and tricks, make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe. I love OfferUp for sourcing, and for some reason it seems like OfferUp is a little bit cheaper than Facebook Marketplace and a little easier to navigate. I don't know why. It's probably just a personal preference. This morning I was looking on OfferUp for anything that was in a box. So I actually put the keyword in full box and I save it in the OfferUp app, and that usually brings me a box full of goodies, which is so fun because you're getting it for so dirt cheap that you know you'll make some money on it. Let me hop over on my phone and show you exactly what I do. So here I am on OfferUp app, putting in full box or box full, either way. And that little bell to the right means I saved it as a keyword, so I'll be alerted. I can just see what people are offering in my area, and really I just scroll through. I see something of interest that looks like there's a lot of something, and click on it, look at their pricing, kind of look at what the contents are at the top of the box. This has just been a really cool way to source. So here's my stuffed animal lot. I knew by picture number 2 that it was good, and so I also click on his or her icon to see what else they're selling, because if the first thing's cheap, they might have a bunch of cheap stuff for sale, and they did. They had women's clothing, but they already sold it. So that's how I look for some kind of random lots of stuff. So we're heading out to pick it up. It's about a 20-mile drive. It got really cold last night, so both of my kids want to peek at the snowfall. So we're killing 2 birds with 1 stone right now. So let's go get this box, and then later we'll see what's in it. Yay! All right, we got the goods. Let's go home and see what's in our box. So I picked up this box of plush for $5. It is unknown to me, so I'm gonna go through it right now. And actually, when I edit this video, I will put up comparable comps, just so we can see where we're at with a profit margin. But for $5, you pretty much know you're going to make a profit. So what I love about plush is that it's undervalued. So, you know, parents buy them a lot and they get sick of them and they want to chuck them out their windows and doors, and they just don't care. So they either donate them, unfortunately throw them in the trash, or like this, they put them on OfferUp. And thrift stores, most thrift stores undervalue them as well. I've had just tiny little dinosaurs go for $90. So plush is definitely a great thing to flip. And one last thing, they're so easy to ship because they're not breakable, they're bendable. You can pretty much squish them into anything, so that is awesome. All right, I'm excited to see what I got, so let's do this. And all of these, she said, are clean and in good, almost new condition, so that's awesome. I don't know what the heck this is, but it looks like something a kid this day and age would be into. Also, most of these are pretty large. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's not always the case, but the larger the better because they bring in more money. Kids like big ones. Wonder Park, Bear, looks like maybe some theme park, so that's good. Curious George. Who doesn't love a Curious George? The same goes for Bugs Bunny. This looks like Bugs Bunny Baby, so I'll have to look this one up. And another peculiar, I'm sorry, I don't have girls, so this could be something really cool, but I'll look it up. This is cute, a little, like, it's not little, it's big, dachshund dog that says, I love you this much. It is by Dandy Collector's Choice, so I'm kind of really excited to look at this one. And since Valentine's Day is coming, I will sell all of my Heart E plushes. This guy's big, he's cute too. A panda bear by Planet Earth. I think I've sold Planet Earth before and it brings in a decent amount. Oh, this one's big. A unicorn, which we know unicorns are in. It looks like it's a backpack or a bag. It's a bag. So you stick your goods in its legs. And let's see, this is by, it doesn't say, but I can see that selling pretty quickly. Anything unicorn, flies, unicorn pajamas, unicorn shirts, unicorn headbands, you name it. Oh, see, this one has some dirt on the tail. If this is also a unicorn, and it doesn't have a name tag, so most likely I won't be listing this. So that's one. This is a jacket pack and pets turned into a hooded jacket. So it has a zipper back here. It's a monkey, by the way. And it, oh my gosh, no way. This is, that's funny. It turns into a jacket. I don't know, that one's pretty interesting. That'll be fun to find. And then this big guy, teddy bear, he is a Love the Earth as well. He has a hole in the back, which I don't know how to sew. So that just might be a flop. But also teddy bears, they just really don't go for that much. You can correct me. I know vintage teddy bears do, but just regular run-of-the-mill teddy bears, I don't know why, but I guess because there's a lot of them, they just don't go very well. Okay, this is a star. It looks like a little pillow, but it has an on button and a battery pack. So I'll look it up first before I test it, just to see if it's worth changing the batteries. Totally cute. And that's it. That's what came. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So a little under 50 cents an item, which at the thrift stores is not even that cheap. So this is why I love just looking for these stuffed animals in lots. So if you like content like this, just kind of, this was just a random day where I found this box and decided to go get it and see what's in it. If you like this type of content, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really, really helps my video. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that bell notification. That would be so great. And as always, have a super profitable week and God bless.